How to change app icons on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First, go ahead and open the Shortcuts app on your device. It is pre-installed app of iPhone, and just in case if you do not have the Shortcuts app, then go ahead and download the app from your app store. Now, tap on the plus icon from the top right of your screen, and on top of your screen you will see that your new shortcut will be named something like New Shortcut 1. So, if you'd rather have your own name on your shortcut, then tap on the arrow next to it and select Rename. Once you've got your shortcut named, you will be directed just below it to add actions from below to create a shortcut. You will see a list of options. Tap on the Open App option and further tap on the App option beside the Open option. Now, select the app whose app icon you want to change and further tap on the information icon or the eye icon on the bottom center of your screen, and you will see the option for Add to Home Screen. Tap on that. You will then see two options. First, you will be allowed to select colors from the provided option for your app, and second option is you will be able to select an image from your camera roll or take an image right at the moment too. Tap on the Add button once you are done making the changes, and with this, as you can see, my app icon has changed. So this is how you can change app icons on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.